Okay, so I just gotta play with it and figure out where I want to put the plate. So it's gonna be around here somewhere. I have a license plate holder that I'm gonna have for the MK7. So these are two versions. This is the one I have for the MK6, which is it's like JDM toy. This one connects to the tow hook, and it goes like this, comes out, right? And then this one, generic one, you just use like these or even zip ties to hold it to the grill of the front bumper, right? And you know, I think it's probably maybe better to use this, but this one doesn't fit, and I didn't want to buy another one because it would be more expensive to use this one. So I'm just gonna try this sort of this version, which connects right on the front bumper. Okay. So let me see what's inside. Open this up. This is just like a generic brand. Yeah. Right. You basically just stick this on the grill, right? So I just have to figure out what goes where. You know, I think you have screws right here. Boom. I think that goes to the plate right here, right? You can have 4 of them. Yeah. That goes on the plates. You can add washers too if you want, like in between, right? Like that. Put washers, you know, right? This is like the kind of like a zip tie type thing, I guess, that you use. You just kind of tighten it up once you figure out where it's going to connect. And then you can even close it up, I think. Cover it up with these, right? Oh yeah, this goes right here. So this goes in between, right? And then you can close it up like this. Boom, like that. Cover it up. If you wanted to, you know, you could do that. So that's what these look like once you put your plate, once you put the plate on here, right? Like that. And you could do that all 4, and then you just stick it on there. Okay, so if I wanted to use this old one, which I used for the MK6, you just stick this in right here. Boom. Right, and then you connect this, and then you turn it right here. Right. Once you turn it, put this outside like that. So this is the better one, right? This was for the MK6. This doesn't fit. This is not the right specs for this, so it doesn't tighten. Can't really use this right now. So now I just use this one, put it right here flat, like that. And then I'm gonna just add these, put them up and then tighten them, you know. This is like a zip tie, where you put them in, like that. And then you put the plate right here on top, like this. Actually don't like this. I probably use zip ties instead. So it's gonna be around here somewhere, and I can always take off the zip ties. So I'd rather use the zip ties instead of this silver thing that they have, because I don't like these. So I'm gonna use the zip ties instead. I'm just gonna try to find a spot. Something like that. So just zip tie it like this. This is just a zip tie like that. Boom. Right, so I just gotta tighten it up, and that should be it. All I gotta do is cut it, and then put my plate right there, and that's pretty much how it's gonna look right there. Easy peasy. So another thing, these right here, these foam you could put behind the plate right here. You could use some of this foam right here and put it behind so that it won't really touch the plastic. So there you have it. Till next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.